Special French toast recipe. You can make this simple and quick snack recipe for kids as a tea time snack. Let's move to the video. First we need to make the batter. For that, in a bowl take 2 eggs, 2.5 tablespoons sugar, 100 ml or half cup of milk, pinch of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix them well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now in a pan take 2 teaspoons ghee and heat it. Then add bread slices to fry after coating them in the batter nicely. Fry it until it becomes light golden brown color. Flip the sides and fry both sides of the bread. Our special French toast recipe is ready. You can make this simple and quick snack recipe for kids as a tea time snack.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.